Hello, and thank you for joining us. I'm Sandy Potter, and with me today are Masonicare President and CEO, JP Venoit, and Dr. Ronald Schwartz, our Senior Director for Continuum Health Services. With the recent uptick in COVID-19 cases, we felt it was a good time to check in with you and provide a status update of where we are. So Dr. Schwartz, let's begin with you. What are we seeing right now in Connecticut and specifically at Masonicare?
Well, I'm sure many of you watch the news and you can see not just in Connecticut, but all through the country, there are rises in cases of COVID-19. And unfortunately, Connecticut is no exception. And we are seeing rises all through the state. And we are seeing a rise in cases at the Masonicare Health Center, particularly.
And JP, how has Masonicare responded across our continuum to this increase?
So our staff have done an absolutely amazing job really managing this terrible virus since inception. And we continue to do that through infectious control measures, education, and setting restrictions to really minimize the spread of the virus. And I can't tell you how proud I am of the staff that continually do everything they can for our residents. Unfortunately, we've got a little bit of an outbreak in our healthcare center, but the staff have really done an amazing job at trying to contain that virus. Wearing masks is extremely important, not only within our system, but out in the public. And I implore everyone that watches this video to continue to be vigilant on wearing their mask and really doing everything they can to mitigate the spread of this virus.
And Dr. Schwartz, moving forward, what is your best advice for all of us to help prevent the spread of this disease in the coming months?
Well, that's an excellent question. And actually, one of my friends and colleagues, Adam Rader, came up. Can you see this? I don't know if I brought it clearly enough, but this is really said in about as concise and perfect way as I can think of anything. And it says, practice the 4 W's. And again, he writes, at work, home, in the community, slowing the spread of COVID-19 is a responsibility that all of us share. And the simple 4 W's are, wear your mask. Second is wash your hands. Third, watch your distance. And fourth, wait to travel. And I think that says it about as well as any scientist could say it at this point.
Yes.
Absolutely. And it bears repeating as we go into the holiday season. And so many of us want to be close to those that we love, but we can't be too careful. And we're all in this together to help to everyone to stay safe and stay healthy.
Sandy, I wonder if I could tell you a quick story or everybody a quick story.
Yes,
so one of the things that I do routinely is I round in the different nursing home units. And I went to one floor and I saw this fellow who was 94 years old. And I started to talk to him. He couldn't see me very well because I had my mask on and all kinds of protective gear. But I kind of looked down at his table and he had sort of a picture of himself and something written below it. And like I saw, he was a World War II veteran. And it said, U.S. Navy, 1944 to 1946. So I started to talk to him. He's 94 years old. And I said, wow, you were in the Navy in World War II? And he said, yeah, you know, I went into 1944 right after graduating high school. So imagine this man at 18 years old, he went to the Philippines, was in the Navy and so forth. And he couldn't see me very well. I had a mask on and so forth. But he looked in my eyes and he said, thank you for keeping us safe. And, you know, I realized this man, you know, when he was 18, helped save America so that, you know, that we all can be here. And this is kind of our obligation, you know, to all of our elderly residents. And maybe just saying one more thing, you know, I keep going to this Masonic Charity Foundation calendar, which is sort of my inspirational go-to. And I found this quote, which I thought was significant. And it said, Do not regret growing old. It is a privilege denied to many. So with that, I just really respect the charge that we have with our residents. And today happens to be a great day to do this because it's actually Veterans Day today. So I hope we can remember all our veterans, and especially those that we're taking care of that help make the world safe and America safe for us, and we'll try to do the same for them.
Dr. Schwartz, that was fantastic, and that's exactly, I think, how all of us feel within Masonicare, serving the ability for us to serve vets, but also have the ability to make sure that everyone that we're entrusted to serve is taken care of every single day. They all have stories, and those stories deserve to be told, and we deserve to be able to take care of them in whatever way, shape, or form we can.
Well, beautiful words and sentiments from you both, and particularly good timing, like you say, on this Veterans Day. Thank you both so much for sharing your time and all of this important information with us today. And thank you all for watching at home. We hope you all stay safe and stay well.